In today's video, I want to share with you my 5 favorite healthy meals that I eat 90% of the time to stay in shape. Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvalho. Now before we get going guys, 2 things. As I talk about each and every one of these single meals, if you check the top right hand corner, you'll see a link pop up. If you click on that link, it will take you through the complete follow along video where I show you how to make that specific meal. So you can just follow along and make that meal if you wanted to try out that specific meal. And then also, if you go to 6weeksixpack.com/5 free, you can download a complete recipe with the ingredients, the directions, and the macronutrient split for each one of these meals 100% free of charge. But let me now share these 5 meals with you. The very first one is what I call my man salad. Now, once you learn how to make this meal properly and how to make salads properly, I know that this will become one of your favorite meals that you will eat on a regular basis. And especially if you're in summer and you don't want a hot meal, this man salad is the perfect healthy meal for you. The next meal I really enjoy making is what I call my Dr. Juice. This, by the way, is also the most watched nutritional video on my YouTube channel from the last decade or so. But I love this juice. It's so tasty, especially if you use the secret ingredient that I talk about at the end of that specific video. But juices are great if you don't have a lot of time, or maybe you're just not in the mood for a complete meal. Next is paellas. I love making paellas. It's so simple to make. And the one that you'll see in that specific video is a beef paella, and you just put everything in the pan, you grill it. And the great thing is whether you're single or a family of 8, you can simply add more ingredients and it's so tasty. This is a great meal to make for lunch or for dinners. Next is a meal that I love eating for dinner, and I call this my mush mash meal. Once again, you cook all the food, put it in a bowl, mix it all up, and you can start eating. Once again, also great about this one is you can make a small portion if you're single, or you can just make a large portion if you're a family of 4 or more. But so tasty, and you can make so many different variations of this specific meal, so you'll never get tired of it. And then finally, guys, is my frittata. I love making frittatas and omelets, especially for breakfast. They are so tasty, so quick and easy to make. And once again, you can quickly make it for the whole family or just for one person. And once again, click on a link in the top right-hand corner to go and check out the step-by-step video on how to make this specific frittata. And that's it, guys. So 5 meals that I really enjoy making. And like I've mentioned, if you want to go and grab a complete recipe for each one of these, go to 6weeksixpack.com/5 free. I will also put all the links for the specific videos and for that free download in the description box below. But go and try out these meals, and I'm sure you're going to find, like I did, they are so easy to make, they're quick to make, they are tasty, and eating healthy will become so much easier once you learn how to make food you actually want to eat. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.